I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never.
Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video is an evening clean with me. I just got home around 6 o'clock and I just wanted to tidy up the house before we start our nighttime routine with getting bath and eating dinner. So I'm just going to do a quick tidy up with me, just have a couple of rooms, need to take out the trash, and just want to give you that little bit of motivation to get started or either to finish out the day. So let's go ahead and get started. I just want to mention that we just did Eleni's room a makeover and I posted that on Sunday, so definitely go back and check it out. You'll be very surprised with the before and after.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you left me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and finish vacuuming this room, and then we're gonna head into the living room.
Look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go.
So in this room I just need to tidy up the pillows, and then I just need to put a couple items back where they belong.
To better times. 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 I look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff. Go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times. 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 To better times.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine.
So next I'm gonna go ahead into the kitchen and just tidy it up and get ready for dinner.
We feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
So if you're new here, my name is Ebony and I go by Organize with Eb here on YouTube. I also have an Instagram, is under Simply Neat CO. So I'm sort of changing my brand to Simply Neat Company. But I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. It always has to do with cleaning, organizing, DIYs, any type of motivation within the house. You'll definitely love it here. I have some exciting videos coming up soon. I also have quite a few things that are coming out. This month I have my website that's coming out, and then next month I have my ebook that I'll be launching. So definitely stay tuned for those things. I'm excited to share them with you guys.
It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
So trash day is tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the trash, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the bin to the edge of the driveway.
Let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down, I'm gonna take control. We're gonna make a big sound, we're gonna break them mold, them mold. Baby, ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. can't live without all his eyes are killing me.
Eleni's actually on her way home from gymnastics, so I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. I'm gonna have to give her a bath and let's have dinner and then head to bed. So I hope this evening Clean With Me video gave you some motivation to get some things done today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall.